Chivayo joins Mnangagwa's delegation to China, sparking fresh patronage concerns. The 3rd of September 2025, by a correspondent, controversial businessman and ZANU PF. Linked dealer Chivayo was on Monday spotted as part of President Emerson Mnangagwa's entourage in China, reigniting concerns over the murky ties between the two men and Zimbabwe's entrenched culture of patronage. Mnangagwa arrived in Beijing to attend commemorations marking the 80th anniversary of China's victory in the War of Resistance against Japanese aggression and the end of the Second World War. He was welcomed at Beijing International Airport by China's head of ethnic affairs, Chen Ruifeng, and Zimbabwe's ambassador to China, Abigail Shaniwa. Although the trip is officially billed as a diplomatic mission at the invitation of Chinese President Xi Jinping, the inclusion of Chivayo in the delegation has drawn sharp criticism. Chivayo has faced long-standing allegations of corruption, tender manipulation, and fraud, yet continues to thrive on government-linked contracts, many of which collapsed despite millions of dollars being dispersed. Critics argue his success stems not from business acumen, but from political protection and impunity offered by the highest office. Over the years, Chivayo has cemented his image as both benefactor and loyalist to Mnangagwa, flaunting luxury cars, cash donations, and public displays of allegiance to ZANU PF. Mnangagwa has also been accused of using state visits to advance private business interests. His sons often accompany him on foreign trips, allegedly signing personal deals with international investors under the guise of government diplomacy. Analysts say this blurs the line between statecraft and profiteering, raising red flags over the abuse of public resources. The Beijing commemorations, scheduled for the 3rd of September, will feature a military parade in Tiananmen Square, attended by 26 world leaders, including Russian President Vladimir Putin and North Korean leader Kim Jong-un, while Mnangagwa is expected to court Chinese investment in energy, agriculture, and infrastructure. The presence of figures like Chivayo has already fueled heated debate back home. For many Zimbabweans, this latest episode illustrates how state diplomacy has become entangled with the private interests of the ruling elite, further entrenching corruption and undermining accountability.